Y'all, I'm so busy. Like, up till late last night we gotta go get containers and we have to get food. And y'all, we just been ripping and running. Just been so busy rearranging things and just cleaning a lot of stuff out we don't need. I woke up late this morning with a bad headache. I just slept a little bit. But last night I had Chipotle. I had a quesadilla. That was really weird. Because usually when they make quesadillas, they lay it flat out, right, with everything in it, which they put it in the press thing. But they just gave me this big old El Pollo Loco type wrap thing. It was really weird. But I put my peppers and my beans and my rice, the little sides, I put it all in here. I'm about to heat it up and eat it because I gotta go. I gotta tell y'all what I did last night. I made a mukbang for myself and it was delicious. I gotta tell y'all what happened. I should put a paper towel over the cup. But basically, I took my sour cream, my pico de gallo, my green sauce. I basically made this concoction, like this big concoction of sauces. It was so good, y'all. Like when I tell y'all it was good, it was good. I'm about to make me a little ghetto huevos rancheros, and I'm gonna do this by taking this beans, fajitas, and rice, and I'm just mix that together, and then it's a little bit under seasoned, adobo seasoning.
Empty rooms, a broken heart, yeah, a little note on the table that I say to myself, it must be from you
Good morning, y'all. I have just awoken not too long ago, and today we are going to be opening up this package that I ordered from Nordstrom Rack because they had a really good deal on some skincare products that work wonders for me. So today I'm gonna open it up and I'm gonna show y'all this do what it do. My cute pink fire skull knife that I got from Arizona. We're gonna open that. Y'all see them flames? Yeah. What does that say, y'all? Nordstrom Cares. All that packaging for this big box for these two. Thank you, Nordstrom. So y'all, this works. Like when I say it works, it works. So I ordered 2 Murad skincare kits. Yeah. This is a Murad Bright and Trial kit, y'all. Now, the reason I get the kits and not the actual products is because, y'all, for each of these full-size products, you would pay the same amount you pay for these kits. Oh, imagine paying for this whole kit, but just for this, and just for that, and just for that, and just... It's expensive. It's expensive. So this is my temporary solution until I find more wallet sustainable prices. Cause like I used to do Earth to Skin, Honey Manuka face wash and serum, but then it got sold out for like maybe a year, or a lot of months it was sold out. Couldn't find it nowhere. Used to be able to just go to Walmart and pick it up, but now it disappeared. Although I have 2 of these, best believe I still caught me some Honey Manuka because you never know when that will be gone again. So I just wanted to get it while it was still here. And then that means whenever this runs out, I can use the Honey Manuka stuff. And I'll be good because I know this plus that stuff, I'm going to be looking like a buttered biscuit. I'm going to be looking like a buttered biscuit. A glazed donut. So in this kit is basically like this cleanser right here. And then it comes with these 2 serums, skin correction. I don't know what the other one is for. And then it comes with this little sunscreen. It's all based around vitamin C. That's the goal of the kit, to brighten your skin and your face. I use the cleanser first, my colic serum, then the spot correcting serum, and then the moisturizer, which is sunscreen. my eyebrows done. But yeah, y'all, I feel hydrated, moisturized, brightened, enlightened, not frightened. Can I get an amen? I'm just playing. Yeah, we're gonna see the changes over the course of my videos. No, you don't understand. This is my B. No, listen. No, you don't get it. This is my B. This is B-roll.
Ladies, I'm escalator. It's the way upstairs, so see you later.